In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock elements together in Canva. If you've ever spent time arranging text, images, shapes, or icons in just the right position, you know how easy it is to accidentally move something while editing the rest of your design. Locking elements is a simple way to keep your layout in place so you can work more confidently without disturbing items you've already positioned. To get started, open your design in Canva. This can be any project where you already have multiple elements on the page and want to keep them from shifting around. Once your design is open, take a moment to identify the items you want to lock. This is especially useful for headers, logos, decorative graphics, or grouped visual sections that you don't want to accidentally drag out of alignment. Next, select all the elements you want to lock together. There are two easy ways to do this. The first option is to click the first element, then hold down the Shift key while clicking each of the other elements you want to include. This method works well when the items are spread out, or when you want to be precise about exactly what gets selected. The second option is to click and drag your cursor over the elements you want to select. This creates a selection box and can be a faster method when the items are close together on the canvas. As you do this, make sure only the elements you want are highlighted before moving on. Being careful at this stage helps prevent locking the wrong objects. Once the correct elements are selected, look for the floating toolbar that appears. In that toolbar, click the lock icon, which looks like a small padlock. This will lock the selected elements so they stay in place while you continue editing other parts of your design. And that's it. Your selected elements are now locked. This is a small feature, but it can make a big difference when working on more detailed designs. It helps protect your layout, saves time, and reduces frustration, especially when you're making final adjustments. If you ever need to edit those elements again later, just select them and unlock them from the same toolbar. Now you know how to lock elements together in Canva, making it easier to keep your design clean, organized, and exactly where you want it.